So friends, has Nilla requested in our group, I'm doing this video. You need to know how I edited the images. So let's open the our meter image in Photoshop. Just double click on the layer to make it unlock. Now first we need to mark the center. So just take any color. I use red color and take the brush. First create a new layer and put a red dot in the center. Okay, now we have marked the center. Now take our meter layer, take black color and paint it over the needle, so it will be erased from there. Now open our needle image in Photoshop. Select the magic wand tool and click on the white pixels. Then double click the layer to unlock it and press the delete button, and all the layers will be all the white pixels will be deleted. Now just invert the selection and plus Ctrl T and reduce the size of our needle because it's too big. Now from image menu, select trim and trim all the transparent pixels. Just go to save as, save it in PNG format. You should mustly save it as PNG format. Just click OK. Now save our meter image also. You can choose any format, JPG or PNG. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.